Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear or flush the DNS cache in the Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes websites may not load properly, show outdated content or display DNS errors. This usually happens because the browser stores DNS cache to speed up browsing, but when this cache becomes outdated or corrupted, it can cause problems. The good news is that you can easily clear the DNS cache in Vivaldi in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open Vivaldi browser on your computer. Now click on the address bar and type the following command: chrome://net-internals/#DNS. I will also put this one command in this one video description, so in case you need it you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. This will open internal DNS setting page of the browser. Here you will see an option, clear host cache. Simply click on the clear host cache button. That's it. The DNS cache will in your Vivaldi browser is now cleared. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.